Usemahlombe wamalungu asithandathu ebandla eliphethe ye-ANC umsebenzi wokuqala nengomiso lezepolitiki likaDlamini. uDlamini ongakhe ngazikhuphekile sisikhundla sokuphatha iphiko labomma be-ANC ngemva kokulahlwa kwecala ubuye wahlangabezana nomraro godu ikhotha kaMagistrate ezamfumana necala lokurhobela umthetho.
So basically what we're doing by allowing the officials to look at the matter is to allow a comrade to come. Remember, the NEC is a big body. I think we are supposed to be 86 plus the leagues. So there are some matters that I think should be handled differently.
I-ANC eMpumalanga nayo iyokubamba ikhomfrensi yesifunda kilepela veke ezako lapho kuza kubonakala khona bona ngubani oyokujamisela uDavid Mabuza. Umphathi mafa we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi ikomiti ephetheko ye-ANC iyozelusa zonke imfunda sekubalwa neMpumalanga Kapa ekupheleni kwenyanga uqinisekisa bona akuphehuki imguruguru.
The officials of the ANC will be going around the country to either open or close those conferences. I will be visiting Mpumalanga myself on Friday to open that conference, and the president will close it on Sunday. So we'll be working very close with the comrades to ensure that, our activities are peaceful.
Ikomiti eqalaba phambukako kile hlangano nayo seyihlelwe ngobutsha kuphungulwe amalunga.
I'm going to invite the president